This 3D print is a Manatee. It was designed by MatMire Makes. I picked it up on Cults 2D, 3D, Cults 3D. And it took 9 hours and 38 minutes to print at a size of 70%. I did it with some light blue PLA. So let's see how we end up with here. So the head, when Matt's designing these, he's putting a little bit of a brim on them, which you just need to peel off. Helps with the stability. A lot of times I print some of these designs with a raft because there's smaller parts. Probably should clean that up just a little bit. Grand scheme of things, this would make no difference. This is why I typically don't print using a brim, because you have to clean them up all the time. So there's the head of the Manatee. You see it's going to have a hole where we can stick and connect them together. The body, because I did this with a skirt, pulled right off. This will be a support that should break off. So the head will connect there. The little flippers move, and we just got to break them up. You can see the joints that are designed into the thing. This is a real solid design. This would probably be good for kids. I don't know how much. I don't think any of this, I mean, if these parts broke off, they wouldn't be any good because it could choke, but make sure the head's on right. It goes in pretty far. So there we have the Manatee. I like this print, turned out real nice. Joints are real solid. Head's on good. Flippers. Just a good, sturdy print. I don't know if he'll stand up. Mike, there he goes, he stands up.